Hi, welcome to my class. This is SQL Pro. This is a late night recording class on 27 Jan 2025 for my student who have a interview. So I try to record as much as I can in today night to revise each and everything important topics related to MySQL. I know the MySQL is a very vast topic. It's because lots of practice around 3 months consistently, and there's a 72 hours of long video, multiple of project brainstorming required. This is not just a cake, then anyone can watch any video or practice a 3 to 4 hours or a 24 hours continuously. It's impossible, quite impossible, not impossible, quite impossible. So let's try. So we are starting from AND operator. Because I starting from AND operator, I try to cover each and everything. I using the AND operator because as a beginner level, that kind of question and order where is asked repeatedly. So in AND operator, we are using a AND condition to check both values should be in true. Like you are typing first of all, select star from. This is a customer table, customers. This is a basic SQL function. Then run. The SQL table is showing all the details inside the tables. Hence, someone added where clause. Where means a filterize process like in Excel. If function means it is a logical function. This is the evaluate something logic to eliminate few of that and showcasing the particular data which is true based on your condition. So where is customer number? Point to be noted, SQL is not case sensitive. So don't worry about the uppercase and lowercase. 103 and means both should be true. Contact last name. When we are using text, we use in the double quotation. In closing, that means 103 is the first condition. Second condition is last name. So both are true. But if we have to choose multiple of condition means did this can be true or this can be true. There is a no need to true each and every value. It can be true between one. It can be true two between among three. So we are using the or and using the king. Then 103 is already true. That's why the result is here. And second result is last name, which is starting from the king. So when we are using king, there is a two kind of entry in SQL king and 103. So three result is appear. This is the basic difference of AND and OR. However, I am trying to add something more like a like operator, which is a like operator. Like operator means is a approximate match. Means I like the chocolate cake. Means I might be like almost every chocolate cake which is available in market. So like operator is a approximate match. If you can't remember, just write it the particular point. Like means approximate match. So when we are using the like, G is the ending. Again, so G is the operator here to find among the king or anything, and percentage using like a wildcard. Then when we are using the G percentage, then the all starting from G is resulted here, including 103. If we are using starting, then all the ending G is here. Means when we using the percentage for starting, the result will be ending of the predefined letter. Here it is G. When we are using both side, when we are using both side, that means it should be starting, start be ending, or it might in be middle. The both side percentage means is 360 approach. 360 approach. So we are just learning right side percentage, left side percentage, both side percentage. Don't deep dive right now, more complex thing because we have to cover up of most of things. So let's try another little bit complex. Most of time recruiter asks in manual question. Manual question means if you have they not provided any system or any terminal, they just ask this is I want to find and that have available the data. So what is the SQL? Try to simplify this and not to complicate with multiples of sentence and everything. Now we are using the where clause. However, with this and or we want to use a AND operator. AND operator. So as per SQL structure, we can't use AND or at the same time. But there is a catch. We use another operator with inside a parenthesis. Parenthesis means starting and ending of the first bracket. So this is the contract list like G and and customer first name like there's an error. The error is I uh, wrongly using the customer instead of contact. So n percentage means n should be the starting. So and G in this middle. So we are using the AND operator. First we are decoding the 103. First decoding the 103. 103 is here. Then contact name G, last name is like G and contact name, first name like in. So in this result, we found this condition and this condition is already true. But contact name, last name is G is not here. But why? As per our rules, we are using and an or operator and has to be both should be true. Let's start. But when we are using and including and outside is the or, this is another condition and this treated a single-handed condition means that moment it can be this or it can be this but not necessarily both should be true. So this is a true. That's why the total selection or total data inside the parenthesis is already in true. If it is outside, then it will be trouble because and means both should be true. Next, the next time. Let's start the insert operator. Insert means we have a SQL and we are right now want to insert something specific data means we want to update, we want to addition. To addition something we have insert function, insert into where? Insert into customers and we have to mention the particular customers table, all the headers. We have to mention all the particular customers headers. So first we transform this narration or comment from customer. Tips: as a good SQL user or a developer, we should follow the indentation, but in practical life, it's not possible to follow indentation all the time because we are in hurry to write a code to execute all the details. So that time you can use the magic function in SQL to beautify your code. This is called indentation. It is not possible all the moment. So you can transfer. Here it is. The Shubho collection is already inserted. So this is the way you can insert the data in a single table or the same you can add the multiple table also. Next is null value. Null value is a field where is a no value means it's a valueless. So to check any null value, just type using the select function from customers where equals to is null, not equals to is null. So there is a no null value. So that's why this is showing the blank. If you want to see the exempt of null value, These are the all the corrected way of data is showing. So just after insert, we have to update the certain table on certain column or value. The value will be the 496 is the update customers set customer name the Shubho where customer number is 19. This is done. So select star from customer where customer number equals to 497. This is the update function where you can update any of the row or anything addition of multiples of row. When you using multiple, you just using this comma and the process is the same. To beautify the code using the beautify. Next is to delete function. Delete means where you want to delete the existing data of your SQL. Just delete this. Delete from where customers where customer number was to 497 is deleted and if select from customers there is a no 497 already gone. Please be noted when deleting records in a table notice where clause in the delete statement. The where clause specifies the record should be deleted. If we omit or mistakenly not using the where clause, the all recorded in the table will be deleted. So be cautious. Now the top clause. What is the top clause? The top clause is used to specify the number of records to return. Means you have a hundreds of row and you want to watch only 10. Mean you want to watch 10 excluding other 90. 90 is excluded already among 100. So we are using the top clause. Select top to from customers. There will be the error because Now we are learning the limit function in MySQL. Limit means if you have the 10 row data and you want to pass only 2. So we are using the limit. Limit means a break means you want to only 2. You only want to watch the 2 data. So we are using the limit function. Now we are move with this wildcard. In this part, we are not using the count sum average. This is a very basic. You can also taking the help from the web. Any of website you can take. So now we are using the wildcard. In previous, we already learned the like function. Now we have to learn the wildcard. In Windows, in Windows file, wildcard also have to fetch most of common records which are usually user inputted. In this here, we have to use the wildcard to fetch most of records. So select from customers where in city, county, like. Also, it is the like for wildcard. Yes. So here, all the country ending with SA is here, and this is our known USA. If we want to using US, result will be the same. Now we are using US starting and ending will be using wildcard means all of the all of starting with US in combined those results will be showing. Now if we want to use multiple wildcard at the same time, like using the third bucket, U A. So this wildcard uses to return a result if any of the character inside guessed match, any of the character will be matched. So just change it. Nothing is matched, so that's why nothing is showing here. Now is in operator. In operator allow you to specify multiple values in where clause. In operator is shorthand for multiple or clause. Means you don't not need to write every time or. This is redundant. So we can use the in operator. So select from customers where first we have to I have to watch the city name, country name, where country. So here it is. All are including those country is here. So this is a simplified method that we are not using multiple of or instead of using the in operator. Let's try the SQL between operator. The between operator select value within a given range. Means you are starting with something and ending with something. So between those you get a result. So starting with select customers where customer number between 1 and 2 and between is into and 131. This is the result. And always remember the between and will be between, always use be and in with between, not or. Now this is the smallest part of the SQL is alias. Alias means to change someone names or temporary just to showcase something. Means you have a header name is invoice, and you want to temporarily want to check this is a bill. Select taking the customer name as customer, then the customer name is renamed what, rename the header from the customers where customer number between 1 and 2 and 131. This is called alias function, and as is used as a alias means customer name we are treated as customer. Let's start joins. Joins. What is the join? The join clause is used to combine a row from two or more tables. Like you have one table, this and that. Every table has a common section. A section is named, for example, this is serial number or product ID, which is very common, and it is available in each and every table. Now, this table is connected this, this, this. This is a basic representation of joins. Now, we have to understand how the join works. We have four types of join. First is inner join. Inner join means returns record that have matching value in both tables. Return records that have matching value in both tables. As a representation, we are taking this, and this section is common. This is T1, this is T2, and this is the common section, which is the matching in both tables. This is called inner join. Next is left outer join. Left outer join. Left outer join means returns all record from the left table that match the record from the right table. Just this is one container which I treated the table, and this is the container number 2, means 1 and 2. Only this part is match with this part. Whenever we use the left join, this is the connecting point. This value should be true. Then all the result of here, all the data is here. It is showcasing. This is called left outer join. For proper visualization, those part is common, and we get the result from this left table in respect of this match. Next is right outer join. Return all records from right table and match record from left. Same as thing, just a mirror effect. Those are common, and we are getting that side of result in respect of this. This is called right outer join. Next is full outer join. Return all records match it either left or right. Full. Full means total data of both the table in respect of match. This is the match point, and we get result from both the side in a combination format. This is called full outer join. Let's move with the table. First, I have to check the table. This is the customer table. This is the order table. Here it is a match is my customer number. Let's check, is this customer number is same as where customer number 278. Yes, the 278 is available. So we are using the customer table and the order table to using the joins, because there's we found the one thing is common, which is customer number. So first we are using the inner join. Starting with select from customers, then inner join join customer number on customers number equals to orders dot customer number. In here, we are taking select from customer. Customer is table 1. Next, inner join orders. Orders means table 2 to on customers. Customers means table 1, customer number and orders customer number. Let's in inner join based on customer number, all the data is here. All of the data related to customer table and the order table based on this customer number is here. Next, we have to cover left join. Using this table, left join, in this left join, the diagram say all the data from the left table based on the common factor. Common factor is customer table. So all the details is here. All the details is here from left table in customer table based on customer number is here and ended with a credit limit. Then it started from the order number. Means this is a prioritize the left table first, then the right one, and the same the customer number repeated on the right also as usual as the left. Next is right join. Just change it in right join. All the data from right outer next is full join, full outer join. All the details are there is a match in left or right. So full outer join Now the union operator. Union operator is used to combine results set of two or more select statement. Every select statement within union must have the same number of column. The column must also have the similar data types, and the column in every select statement must also be in the same order. SQL group by statement. Group by statement is same group by statement groups row that have same value in the summary row. Example, select count order number from orders group by status. So this is a 303 is total count of order and taking the status. So shift is 303, resolved 4, cancelled 6, on hold 4, disputed 3, and in progress is 6. So it is a group by statement. Just we are using same as in pivot table in Excel. The same thing is a group by here. We sorting of data. Now it is a scale having function. Having clause was added to SQL because the where keyword can't be used with aggregate function. Aggregate function means greater than, less than. We using those function, we can't use the where clause. So we have to use the having, like select from orders group by status having count order number ordered by count number descending and count is greater than 6. This is the aggregate. We can't select the whole data. So this is showing the shift 303. If this count 4, there is the result is up to date. Next is exist operator. Exist means to use to test the existence of any record in a subquery. Exist return true if subquery returns one more record. Like we are using the nested if function in Excel. In here, we are using same thing in our SQL. which is called kind of nested if. So select status from orders where exist, select select order number from orders where from customers where customers dot customer number equals to orders dot customer number